Hello and welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to create a Zoom account. All right, but before we begin, let's hear a quick 30-second message from our video sponsor. This video is brought to you by Amazon Prime. Please try out the Amazon Prime free trial. You get free Prime delivery, exclusive discounts, listen to 70 million songs completely ad-free, watch award-winning movies and TV shows, and then you get many other great Prime exclusive offers. Try all of this completely free of charge. And if you don't like it, just cancel the trial. You can find the link to this trial either in my video description or on the top of my comment section. Click on any one of these two links and it will take you to this page. Once you're on this page, if you're a student, click over here where it says start your 6 months trial. If you're not a student, click over here where it says see more plans. And then click on where it says not a college student. Then you can start your free 30-day trial. All right? Now get back to the video. Okay, welcome back. Now, like I said in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Zoom account. To do that, open up a web browser like I have here, and then go to, let's go to zoom.com. And I think it will usually send you to the right place. So I'm in the US. That's why it says zoom.us, I think. Okay, now once here, you see up here where it says sign up is free. Click on there. And then it'll ask you to enter your birth date. Let's just pick a random the month and year. Then continue. And then it says enter your work email. Okay, just don't mind that. Just type in any kind of email. I don't think it really matters. Let's do support. KahindoTech.com. Okay, and click on where it says sign up. Okay, I believe now they have sent an email to your whichever email you put in. So if I go to my email right now and let's refresh, there should be a link to activate my Zoom account. So I'll click on here. And then it says welcome to Zoom. Click on where it says activate account. Click on there. It'll take me back to Zoom. And then it's asking, are you signing up on behalf of a school? Let's say no. And then if you're signing up on behalf of school, you can go that route. But I think most people are just signing up for their own personal accounts. Okay, click on no and then continue. And then go ahead and enter your first name. I'll just put KahindoTech for this part. And then let's do Inc. And then enter your password. And for the password, make sure you're following these rules right here. So you have to have at least 8 characters. You have to have at least 1 letter, have at least 1 number, and I think include uppercase and lowercase characters. If you don't have all of these, it won't allow you to set the password, okay? So you enter the password once and then confirm it again. If I can remember it. All right, I think I got it right. And then we'll click on where it says continue. We don't have to touch any of that. And you can skip this for now. All right, and then click on go to my account. And there you go. It will take you to your account. That's how you can create a Zoom account. So now if I open up the Zoom app, or it can be the app or the cell phone, just whichever one, if you click on sign in, and then if you enter your email, let's do support, KahindoTech.com, and then enter your password. I should be able to sign in. There we go. That's how you can create your Zoom account. If you have any other questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to check out my Amazon Prime free trial.